Morning, everybody. It is 8:30 on the button, and this is your pre-opening comment for Monday, the 29th of January. Okay, it's actually kind of a quiet morning, which was surprising to me because of what's gone on in Jordan and other hotspots around the world. But this is just another one of those lame Biden administration, you know, will decide what to do when it's too late. In any event, Asia is slightly higher, Europe is mixed. Um, the Hong Kong court ordered the Chinese to um, reorganize Evergrande, the real estate company, and so I'm guessing that there's a little bit of strength coming from there. We also had earnings this morning. We had Sofi and Phillips and BEN, which is Franklin. Sofi with a solid beat. The stock closed 762. It's 872 on the exact high, up $1.10 or 14.4%. Phillips with a bit of a miss, 21.16. That's down $1.60 or 7%. And Fidelity Ben Franklin is 28.21. That's up 62 cents with a high of 28.60. So that one's just kind of mixed to slightly higher. We also have earnings during the day today of Crane. And then after the close, we have Cleveland Cliffs, F5 Networks, Helmrich Payne, Nucor Steel, which is our biggest steel maker, SMCI, and Whirlpool. Whirlpool ought to give us a little bit of a look on the housing front. We also had Elon Musk coming out and saying he's going to buy $10 billion worth of chips from AMD. Both of those are just slightly higher. I think under $2 on the Tesla, and AMD currently trading at 179.5. That's up 2.25, but that had a pretty good week last week, being higher. As far as the futures go, it's kind of mixed. As far as the stock futures go, at 7 o'clock they were down 24. Right now they're down 27 in the Dow. In the Nasdaq we were up 21. Now we're up 14, and in the S&P we've been hovering right around unchanged. Right now we are down $1.50. So really not much. Grains are slightly lower. I'm a little bit surprised to see a lack of strength here, although it was awfully strong on Friday. In the oil, 77.63, that's down 38 cents. Nat gas, of course, is lower. In response to the issue in Jordan, the gold and the silver are both higher, and so is copper, but copper's less than a penny up. In the softs, we have cotton up 22. It was down a couple of dollars last week. Coffee is down 2.35, and sugar up 27. The dollar is higher. I'm assuming that's a flight to safety because it's certainly not getting support from the bonds, which are also up. So yields are down. Bitcoin basically unchanged at down $75, and Ethereum down 15.5. All right, folks. It's going to be hard to figure. This is a very big week. We have FOMC this week. We have a deluge of earnings, including all of those big names. Apple, Alphabet, Microsoft, the Amazon, the list runs the gamut. So we'll have to see how those turn out. All right, folks, have a good morning. Be careful out there.